So we got the Glock 19 Gen 5 with the threaded barrel, and we got it in the conversion kit. Push it in like that. That turn red, that's where it lock at. We got the True Glow on here. So we're gonna do a couple rounds first to make sure it's running, and then we're gonna start zeroing this. We're gonna zero it at 10 yards. Pick up one. I must ain't go far. So I wonder if the threaded barrel is not letting me charge it all the way. See how it's holding it?
Yeah.
So yeah, I ain't even gonna be able to do this yet until I switch the barrel, because ain't no mag in it and it's locked open. So yeah, the threaded barrel won't work in there. I should have tried that when I was at home, but I thought I did, but I didn't know it was, didn't go all the way back. So it's probably catching somewhere in there. I don't know. So I'm gonna just have to take the barrel back out that polymer 80 and put it back in here. Let's see. Nah. Yeah, because if it's doing that, it might, but I doubt it. Let's see. Yeah, it jammed. So, well, you can't run these with the threaded barrel. So, glad I found that out. Alright, so yeah, we'll switch that barrel out and bring this back to the range tomorrow and get this zero. Mags through it since we're here. Some 147s or something. Because this was all that ammo I cleaned up. Some of them here sounded different, and the recoil be feeling a little different with some of these. I don't know what. Most of it. Some of the fuckers getting scattered. I'm gonna change it for you though. I'm gonna start you at like 5 or 7 yards. You in there, but it's just shooting it out. I can't see nothing from here. Like, I see little stuff, but that black circle is the dumbest fucking idea ever. But you in there. That's what I said, it'd be hard to adjust with when you can't really see, so you basically moving around. But shit, you still in the center, so the center of that circle, so it's cool. We'll go, because if that's 10, it's probably like 7.5 yards. something like that. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely get some of those splatter targets because these things are just stupid. So I'm gonna load you up again. You can run a couple more, and then we just gonna put this one away. But yeah, I just wanted to get rid of this random ammo. I did find some 147s in there, so it's probably 115 all the way to 124s. Because I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but some of the rounds you can hear different sounds. So it looked like a little bit of corrosion on that one. So just gonna get rid of these. I had a brand new box of ammo to zero with, but I just brought these just to shoot after we zero. So since we here, yeah, some of them getting that corrosion on the casing. I wonder was it one of them corroded ones? All right, so I got to take the barrel out of here and put it back in here. This is the original Gen 5 Glock barrel, which can work in this polymer 80, works perfect. And the barrel that's in here was bought, I think it's a Bear Creek Arsenal barrel, so I got to get another one. So I don't have to keep swapping back and forth. This gun wasn't running too good suppressed. So when I tried this one, and I bought a whole bunch of different springs, so I got to revisit that. But this one, factory spring, I ain't changed nothing, runs perfect suppressed. This one just didn't, that's why I changed the barrel. So to get this in a conversion kit, because I'm about to go zero that now, I got to swap these barrels out real quick and put it back in the conversion kit. And this don't fit in that conversion kit. I tried it. I'm gonna try it again just in case, but I'm pretty sure it didn't fit. So we got them swapped out. That's back in there, and that one back in there. So we're gonna throw it in the conversion kit, take it to the range and zero it. That should be in the next video.
I see your motivation, I see your movement is in effect, and I fucking love that shit.